How to tackle IELTS listening MCQs. Answers of the question are in sequence only. However, options given in the question are not in sequence. The first matching word you hear generally is not the correct answer. Answer may be somewhere in the middle or end. Paraphrasing is common, so pay attention to the meaning. We recommend that convert each question in what, why, when, where, who and how format. It makes it easy to answer it. Underline the keywords of the question and keep keywords of 2 questions in mind at a time. It will avoid missing 2 or 3 questions. Pay attention to the stress words, my main idea was, which I actually chose to do, etc. It will help you eliminate other options. Pay attention to words such as but or however. They can help you eliminate the options. You need 35 out of 40 to score it in IELTS listening test. So pay attention to MCQs and practice them a lot, keeping above tips in mind. For regular updates, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. https://www.onlineieltspreparation.com